I hope you are all good. In my last tutorial, we have discussed about what is SQL and how do we write SQL command. Let's understand SQL with some commands. We have five types of command. I have been through with the last session. In this session, we will discuss about the DDL command, Data Definition Language. Data Definition Language is all about creating the structures, altering the structures, or you can say the modifications in structures, or dropping permanently the structure. Altering or dropping the structures mean either you are creating a database or creating a table. In both cases, you can do three types of command you can use: create, alter, and drop. Creating, that means you are going to create a fresh structure, either database or a table. Altering means you are going to do some modifications in either with a database or with a table. And dropping, that means you are going to drop either database or a table permanently. There is another DDL command which is a truncate. Truncate means deleting only the records, leaving their structure as it is. That means if we have some records in a table and we gonna use a truncate, that means truncate will remove all the records from that table, leaving the structure as same. Leaving the structure as same, meaning what are the columns you have created in the table, all the columns with the column names available but with no data. That is what a truncate command means. We will see truncate command in my later video once we have data in the table. We're gonna discuss about how to create a database, how to alter a database, and how to drop a database. And same operation we're gonna apply over a table. And I'm gonna show you with two IDE. IDE means Integrated Data Environment. This is the platform where you're gonna write your SQL code or SQL statement or SQL query to create a database, altering a database or dropping a database, and same operation we're gonna apply over a table. Now, this is my PG admin IDE open, and I have also opened my SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. Let's see first in PG admin. The reason being to show in different IDE to writing a SQL command so that you can know is there any difference of the SQL command which I write in PG admin and I write in a SQL Server Management Studio. Is there any difference? If there is no difference, that means you could understand SQL is a one language can run with a different IDE. Nothing to change. But I recommend you or I suggest you that 90% of the SQL commands will be the same and you can apply over different IDE. Either you gonna use uh, Oracle Express editions or you can use over MySQL or Workbench or you can use PGAdmin for PostgreSQL or you can use SQL Server for SQL Server Management Studio. Now I'm going to show you first with the PG admin and this is the screen looks like. Now I'm going to create a database first. So for creating a database, you gonna write create. What create? Database. and give your database name of your own choice as per your business requirement so that you can understand that this is the database I have created for this purpose. So you can give a meaningful name so that you can remember for which purpose I have created this database, and this database can have what kind of data into it, or what kind of tables you have stored in this database. So creating a database demo. This is for a demo purpose. That's why I'm creating a demo. Just you write create and then database, because you are going to create a database and give a database name. Just select the line, and this is your run button. Just click this one, and and, and the bottom you can see the query returned successfully, and it will take time 362 milliseconds. So I'm not worrying about how much time it will take in, because at the initial stage we should know how to create database, alter a database, uh, dropping a database, and same for the table. So I have created a demo database, but there is no demo database here. So just put your cursor over the database and make a right click and get refresh. The moment you refresh, your created database demo is available here. Now you want to alter the database. What should you do in terms of altering this database? You should just rename this database demo as demo 1. So for any kind of alteration or any kind of modification, you need some need alter command. So alter, what to alter? Database to alter. So alter database, and what database you want to be altered? My demo database, which is already exists. So alter database demo and rename to demo 1, because I'm renaming my existing database demo to demo 1. Just select this line and run this line. Now your query runs successfully and in just 50 milliseconds. Now just click here, right click and refresh here. Now your demo become demo 1 now. So this is the alter data alter command you have used here. Now I'm going to drop the database. So drop, what to drop? Database to drop. So drop database. What database you have to be dropped out? You have now demo 1, because demo is no longer available here because you have renamed to demo 1. So drop database demo 1. Just select the line and execute. Query returns successfully in 130 milliseconds. That means your demo 1 get dropped out. Drop means you are dropped out permanently. It will never become until you create one. So this is the way you have used all the DDL command over a database. Now I'm going to apply the same command over a table. So in order to create a table, you must have a database, because table gets stored into the database. So first create a database. So I'm going to just run the first line here in order to have a demo created. Now just refresh here. You have demo now, and under demo you have a schema, and here you have a table, and in table you don't have any table because you haven't created any table. So just create a table here. So just select this one and create a table. So to create a table, you write a syntax like create table because I'm earlier we were creating database, so create database and create table, so create table. Now I have given a name. You can also give a name. I am giving here TBL employee here. And this is the syntax of initial line. Create table and table name. But table must consist few columns at least. Otherwise, creating a table making no sense. So create table, then table name. You give on your choice, but you meaningful choice. And then you should create a few columns in it. So creating a column in it, you should start defining the column name with the data type within the round bracket. Here I am going to define my first column name as a name, and the data type of this name is character type of 10 limit. That means you are going to write a name but with the limit of 10 characters only, not 11, 12 characters. If you're gonna write 12 or 15 characters, it will not reflect in your answer. It will reflect only 10 characters in your answer. That's why I'm limiting here up to 10 characters only. And age as an integer because age is given as 22, 31 like this. So this is the integer. And now I'm going to define the third column as a income. I'm also going to use as an integer because I'm going to give here 500, 1000, 15,000, 1500 like this. So I have defined here only three columns: name, age and income. There are three columns and each three columns have their defined data type. Name only have the character type, otherwise these two columns have an integer type. Now just select this and run this. TBL employee is already exists. So you should just give another name. Now I'm giving another name as TBL demo like this. So just click this one. Your table TBL demo gets created. Just get refresh it. Refresh it here. Check where my table gets created. My demo database, I think it gets created under YouTube. Let's check. Uh, you can see TBL demo is created here. Now let's see what are the columns we have in TBL demo. So for this select, that means select means display. Star means everything. From where? From table. And what is your table? Demo 1. So display everything from demo 1. Just select this one and run it. Demo 1 does not exist. Okay, TBL demo is my table name. Sorry for this. So just run this. You can see we have defined here three columns: name, age, and income, and their data types showing here also. So this is the way you have created a table. Now going to use alter command over a table. That means going to do some modifications in TBL demo table. So what kind of modification we gonna apply over a table? I'm gonna add one more column. That should be the modification. So what should I do? I can use alter table because I'm going to altering the table. So alter table, and what is my table name? TBL demo. And I'm going to add what I'm gonna add a state. A state should be a varchar type. That means character type. Just it. That means I'm going to alter a table. TBL demo is a table name. I'm gonna add a state, and state column should be a character type, and this is only of two character type. So just select this one and run this. Now let's check here. Now we have a state column additionally available here. So in this way you can alter a table doing modification. Now I'm going to alter the table again TBL demo to drop this column, because by mistakenly I have added this one. So I need to drop this. So for this you need to use drop here instead of add, and no need to define a data type. Just alter table TBL demo and drop the column state. Just select this one, run it. Now check. Now we have only three columns, because fourth column state which I have added and get deleted a minute ago. So this is the way you can use alter command. Now I'm gonna use a drop command also. So drop table, and this time I'm going to dropping a table a TBL demo. Just select this one and run this one. Your table has gone. Now, if you want to run this again, that means select everything from TBL demo, as TBL demo is already get deleted, so it might result as an error. You can see relation TBL demo does not exist because you have already deleted, and now you want to search the records from the TBL demo. That would not be possible. So this is the way you're gonna use create, alter and drop command over the database or over a table. Now I'm going to show you the same operation in SSMS. Now here just let's first refresh this one. Now create database, and I'm going to creating a database as a Sunday. Sunday is my database name. Now this is done. Now just right click and make refresh it. Now you have Sunday here. Now you want to alter this one, alter database Sunday, and give a modify name as Monday. That means you are going to rename Sunday as Monday. So in SSMS you have to give modify name, but in case of you are using PGID for PostgreSQL, you need to use rename too. There is a single difference. So there are around 10% of difference you may face when you're gonna write uh, a lengthy type or complex type of SQL as a statement. Now let's select this, run this. Now let's check, refresh this one. Now you have Monday now, no Sunday, because Sunday gets replaced by Monday. Now you're gonna drop this database. Now drop database Monday, because there is no Sunday, because you have renamed the Sunday as a Monday. Select the other database here, and now you have dropped out. Now just right click and refresh. You have no Sunday or no Monday, because you have created, you have altered, and lastly you have deleted permanently. In the same manner, we gonna create a table. So create a table, and my table should be created in one of the database. So need to create a database first. So create a database, and now refresh this. You have Sunday, and just select the Sunday here, so that you gonna creating a table would appear under Sunday database, and this table will be stored in database name as Sunday. So create table demo. And for creating a table, as you all know, a column, defining column must be necessary. So, and column can be defined under a round bracket. So, I'm going to define name would be a word character, and I am repeating with the 10 character. Then I'm gonna use as would be integer type, and I'm gonna use income as also a integer type. And now close the round bracket so that system can know you have started from here till here, and you have created only three columns, and each three columns has their respective data types. Now just select this one, and now your table demo gets created. Now just refresh, because you have created a table under Sunday database. So you go for table and you will have a demo table here available. You can see here. Now I want to add a column into the table. So alter table, which table? Demo table, and I'm going to add column, and I'm going to add column as a state, and would be a var 2. That means I'm going to do modification in table, demo table, and modification in terms of going to adding a column state which is of var, that means character types, and limiting with 2. Just select this one, run it. Now you can see there is a error comes in here, like column, column spelling is correct, but might be column not required by this one. So just delete this one and let's run this. Now column gets added because column word not required by the statement. Now let's see, select star from a demo. Let's see what are the columns we have created in here. We have created three columns here, but additionally I have added a state. Now I am going to drop the state column. So just use a drop, and in this case you no need to specify the character type. Just select this one, but this case you need to specify a column. Now get your state column gets dropped. Now you can see you have only three columns. So in this way you have created, you have altered. Now I'm going to drop a table. So drop table, and what is my table name? A demo. Just it's dropped out. Now run this again. Let's check. Is there anything wrong? No. It's showing that demo object name is invalid because you have already dropped out. So it's not no longer available. So it system would not be able to find out. That's why it's giving a message like this. So this is the way you're gonna use a DDL command either with a database or a table. I have shown the same operations or with the DDL command in SSMS and PGAdmin. Here you're gonna find there is a difference. While renaming the database into PGAdmin, we have to use rename to, but in case of SSMS, we have to use modify name. There's a first difference between these two IDE and nothing else. So there might be 10% of difference you may face in future while you're playing with the SQL language in order to write a complex type of queries. Uh, uh, then you may uh, face 10% of difference. Otherwise, 90% of the SQL commands are same, no matter what kind of IDE you are using. So that's all for these sessions. Let's hit the subscribe button and hope uh, you may pass this message to your friend circle so that they also join us my uh, YouTube channel, and let's stick to my upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.